Welcome to our channel OUTOFBOX tutorial. So in this video we will be finding factorial of a number using while loop. So in previous video we saw how to find factorial using for loop. So I have provided a link in case you can compare and study, so both doubts will be cleared. So you will be cleared in how to use while loop. So let's get started. So factorial, to find factorial of n, we use this formula. So I have discussed in that video also, so do sure check. So let's assign integers. So let integer n be the user defined. Let I initialize to 1, and let's assign f will be standing factorial to 1, as any number multiplied to 1 will not change its value. Let's ask user to enter value for n. Enter a number of which user wants factorial. So let that be number be n, and now we will be initializing our while loop. So we have already discussed previously how while loop works. So here there is syntax of while loop. So now we will be initializing while loop conditions, then statements, and then implementation. And first we have initialized what we need, and now we will be initializing our while loop. So while loop, and now for that, see, now we want our condition statement. So here condition between I and n is that I is always less than equal to n, and our while loop statements will be see, we want factorial, so f, which stands for factorial, will be equal to f multiplied by I, as we have discussed earlier that in every initializing of a step, f will be multiplied with I and then again stored in f. In again next step, this f will become this, and then again it will be multiplied with I and again. So this will be working in loops. And now we want incrementations. So I plus plus, and terminating that, and now we will be on to our output statement. So output will be nothing but let's say factorial of entered number is, so that will be equal to f, and terminating that. Now let's run this. So enter a number, let's say 10. So the factorial of entered number is, that is 10, it is 3628800. So compare both videos, how we have used for loop for finding factorials and how we are using it in while loop, so we get better understanding of while loop. So thanks for watching, hope you learned something new. Do like our video. Thank you.